Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the e-manual or your practical of the bioinformatics about the gene bank. Gene bank is the NIH genetic sequence databases and annotated collection of all publicly available DNA sequences, and the gene bank is the part of the international nucleotide sequence database collaboration which comprises the DNA data bank of the Japan, which is called as DDBJ, the European Nucleotide Archive, which is ENA, and the gene bank at NCBI. So, in our previous lecture, we will discuss about the NCBI. So, you can get the gene sequence from the NCBI of the gene banks. You can isolate the particular bacteria, microorganism sequence from the NCBI through the gene bank. These three organizations exchange data on the daily basis of the particular microorganism and the bacteria. A gene bank release occur every 2 months and the available from the particular NCBI site. The releases notes for the current version of gene bank provide details information about the upcoming gene bank sequences and the statistical analysis of particular like phylogenetic trees of the blasta, pasta of the microorganisms. How to access the gene bank? There are several ways to search the retrieve data from the gene bank, and the search gene bank for sequence identifier and the annotation with the entrance nucleotides. Search and align the gene bank sequence to the query sequence using BLAST, which is basic local alignment search. BLAST searched core nucleotide DBEST, DBGSS independently. See BLAST for the more informative about the numerous BLAST databases. You can go the link with the NCBI. After that, you can identify the particular sequence and which the gene bank databases uses are designed to provide encourage access with the scientific community to most up-to-date comprehensive DNA sequences information, and NCBI places no restriction. You have retrieve or you can do blast and fast or isolate the particular sequences from the gene bank databases, and you can submit it your genes at this gene bank, and you can get patent, copyright, intellectual property right, all of your portion of the data they have submitted. NCBI is the not a position of the assess the validity of the such a claim, and there then that's why you have to submit your data at the intellectual property right, so you can have to add copyright for the sequences. So this is all about the gene bank, which is contain the particular DNA sequences and microorganism sequences, nucleotide sequences, protein sequences, amino acid sequences, databases. So you can take from the data from this gene bank. Thank you.